How to fix Bluetooth connected but no sound. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up and we should be able to fix the issue. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So first of all, what we can do is we can check out volume levels. So for that, we can increase our volume on our phone. We can just go ahead and look out for the volume button and click on it, or your Bluetooth device as well. Sounds basic, but this should fix it surprisingly very often. Apart from that, you can select the correct audio device as well. So go to your settings of your device, open it up, and once you open it up, go to the option called connections and tap on it. And under connections, you should be finding a section called Bluetooth. So go ahead and tap on Bluetooth and you can turn it on, and inside here, make sure that you are using the correct device. Look out for your earbud and go ahead and tap on it and make sure that the media audio is on. Also, you can turn on this Bluetooth option on and off multiple times and refresh it. Also, restart your phone and again try connecting to a device. Also, apart from that, we can reset the network settings. So go to settings for that, open it up, and once we open up our settings, we can go ahead and look out for the general management, tap on it, or the system, and look out for the option called reset and tap on it. After that, go ahead and confirm this up for reset network settings, and that should remove all the saved connections. And that's it. Usually those are probably the method we can follow up to fix the Bluetooth connected but not sound. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more.